Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of sithaphal rice kheer with the help of custard apple, sithaphal. I am making a rice kheer with basmati rice. You can take a long grain rice or you can take normal rice also. But basmati you can catch the flavor, and sugar, milk. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Milk 250 grams, sugar 150 grams, basmati rice 100 grams. You can take normal rice also. Cardamom powder, ghee for roasting. Take the 2 custard apples, sithaphal. 1 is enough. For more extra you can add 2. This is the recipe for sithaphal rice kheer. Take the bowl, custard apple, remove the seeds, custard apple contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps to fight the free radicals in your body. Remove it with a spoon. It's very hygiene to make. Whisk it, and let's see how I am removing the seeds. Then remove the seeds. And keep it in a side. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the vessel and pour ghee. Pour ghee. Then add basmati rice. Let's roast it. You can see the color was changed into white and little bit brown color. Fry it for 2 minutes. Then add milk and boil it. Add little bit of water and boil it nicely. The rice should be cooked very well. You can check. Next, add the sugar. Next, add the removed custard apples. Remove the seeds, then add into this. Custard with basmati rice, sithaphal rice kheer. Next add the ilachi powder, crush it nicely and cook it on a low flame Custard apple is also contains in potassium and magnesium. Green color, it's an optional, but I am adding for custard apple. It looks like custard apples, that's why I'm adding. You can skip the color also. Let's cook it. Finally, it's cooked well. Then take into the serving bowl. This much thickness is enough. You want to crush it with the blender. Custard rice kheer is over. You can see the color. This is an I added according to the custard color, so you can skip it. You can add pista garnish, dry fruits. In middle I am getting a custard sithapal pulp. And thanks for watching. It's a nice recipe. Follow if you like.